Hi Dad, I just thought I'd give you a demonstration of the jig that I made. The armature is attached to the variable speed grinder. I grind at low speeds, and what I've done is I built another jig that sits and rests the tool inside and allows me to use this jig to have the proper sharpening angle. So what I do is I take the skew here in this case, and I have a little block that gives me 2 inches from the end. That way I can get it at 2 inches and lock down a thumb screw. And I have the tool resting in this device, which allows me to pivot at the right angle. It sits down here in the V, and I've already adjusted the length of the arm to make sure that I have the right angle, and I'm double checking again, and it's good. So I turn it on, and basically I can rock this back and forth on that angle and be able to keep the same angle consistently through the grind of this curved jig here. So I'm going to turn it on, put it on low speed, and I'm going to grind off just a little bit. Okay, and as you see, I get a perfect bevel grind on this thing, and it's very, very sharp.